Hi guys, so basically this is a video I made to show just how dynamic karst landforms can be. What you're gonna see is a sinking stream going into a swallow hole or a swallowing cave, and the really interesting thing you're gonna see is just how much it changes in just 9 days. Yeah, basically I edited together footage from 2 days of visiting this cave, and these 2 days are only 9 days apart, and it's like, whoa, it's like night and day. So yeah, it's a short video, so I'm not gonna talk too much and just let you enjoy the beautiful cinematography. See ya!